you are going to love the 2008 Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, CD changer, power passenger seat, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.